Have you ever wondered how people make photos look like this? Maybe like that, or like this. Well, you don't need to worry because I'm here to teach you everything that you need to know in order to make your photos look so nice and bright. Okay? Remember, when your photo looks so clean, your photo looks so attractive, the more it gets congestion. Okay? Now, I'm teaching you this for the purpose of business. Okay? In case you need to advertise your products, you need to make it so clean and neat. Okay, and when you use these methods that I'm going to show you, just right away you are going to make your photos look bright and you have more customers and the congestion will be so tight. So listen to the end of this video and you'll be able to listen and learn what you need. Okay, so in case this video helps you, remember to give it a like and it will tell me how much it is helping, and please share this video or subscribe to my channel. For now, let us go back to the video and watch what is going on. So go straight to Play Store. In this activity, we are going to need two applications. So the first one we are going to download is Adobe Express. Okay, so go on Play Store, type this Adobe Express, search it. Okay, so me, I have it installed. It is just telling me to update. So the application looks like that. Okay, so once you download that one, then you also download another application called Cover Maker. Cover Maker. Okay, search down. Okay, so this is the one that looks like that. You should make sure that your application looks like that. So me, I've installed already this one. That's why it is telling me uninstall or update. All right, so once you do this, then go back and start your work. Okay, so now this is the one. You start there. All right, so you press here. Then you come to remove background. So you're going to remove the background from your phone, from your photo. Okay, so you had the image. So you're going to choose the image that you're going to add here. Okay, so let's try to choose the image we can add. Okay, let's try maybe this one for the phone. So it is removing the background. Okay, so you wait for it. It's done. Okay, so once it is like that, just click save. Okay, so that photo is saved. So now quickly go to Cover Maker. So Cover Maker, it's here. So once we open like that, okay, so once you open like that, then it has these options where it says create cover, ready-made cover, my edits, save, and all that. So here you are going to choose whether you can just create your own cover or ready-made cover, or ready-made cover can look like this. So here it will ask you for Facebook cover, YouTube, or whatever. You choose any that you need. Maybe let me go for YouTube. So there you can have so many covers already made for you. Okay, so once you click on one, let's say digital and graphics, you download one, you see what happens there. Okay, so here you can edit this thing. So you can come here, you can edit all these words, you can remove them, delete, and you write your own things there. Okay, and for that one, let us just go start our own so that it becomes better. Create cover. So here you can choose your own size that you want here. So let's say 4x3. Okay, so you choose the background here. You can still change and choose any background from here. Okay, You can choose any background from here. So let's try to choose this one. So you add it there. Okay, so here now you can start. This is just your own. Right, so you can import the image. Let's say that image that we used. Where is it? It is here in Adobe Express. So you get it. Don't do anything with the image, just click the like button there. Okay, so you see how it is appearing now. Great, let us make it more sweet and bright. You can increase it using here. You can either delete it if at all you picked a long one, or you can flip it. It can still flip. Okay, or you can do it like that. You can do it like that or like that. Okay, so let's just do it like that. And great. And then you type there. You say on sale Google Pixel. Google Pixel. Okay, so you can play around the settings there. Okay, so here on sale Google Pixel. Right, so let us try the font. Maybe change the font. You can either put that or that. Let's look at whatever that looks nice on sale. How does that look? Wow, not so good. Let's try and check. This one looks much better. So you can say color. You can either change the colors using here. Okay, that one looks so brighter. Let's try white. Great, white looks okay. All right, so you can add some more information. Good price. You can say good price. Okay. And there you can either choose to put it in a different color. Okay, so that color looks nice. All right, so you continue adding some more. How my picture is looking now, huh? So here you can either change the effects. You can either choose any color there. You can change it. You can change that. Put any color. Just go in effects. You can actually choose any color using that. Which one can we use? Let's just use the profile picture, the one I'm using on Facebook. We can remove the background there so that we can add what we need. Removing the background. Wait for it to finish. Okay, right. So you save it. Once it's done, let's come to cover maker. So here you can create our. For this time, let us try to choose this one by one. Let's see what happens. Right. So here you can now import the background. You can change the background at any time. Okay. So here, let's try and import the image, the one that we made. So we come to Adobe Express. We select it. Okay, fine. So this is the one. And you can even add a code. We can make Zambia great through change of mindset. Okay, so you can write it there. You can play around the colors. Black, green. Let's try white. Let's change the font. Okay. Which one looks great? This one? There's so many fonts in here. Okay. Whoa, the colors now. Let's try this. Okay. So I don't like the background, so I can change the background here. Let's try this. How is that? No, that's not good. Let's try effects. Okay. So you can do all that, guys. So it is not that difficult. Great. We can make Zambia great by change of mindset. Do you think this is true? Okay. Look at that. It's done. And you can save that. So this is how we do it, guys. So thank you so much for following up this video, and hoping to see you soon in the next video.